How to fix Discord error 3002. So you'll usually see this error message when Discord is having trouble accessing your microphone. Now I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this. So the first step is you just need to open up the start menu on your computer and then go and select settings. Now from the left hand side, click on privacy and security, and then you'll need to scroll down the page and click on microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on and enabled. Also make sure let apps access your microphone is turned on. And if you see Discord in the list of applications, also make sure it's toggled to on. Now finally do the same thing for desktop apps as well, so make sure this is switched on as well. You can then come down to the bottom right hand side of your taskbar and right click on the volume icon. Now press sound settings, scroll down to input, and make sure you have your microphone selected. Now, if you can't see your external microphone from here, you can always click on Add Device, and you'll need to go and add the microphone to your computer. Now, once you've done all of this, you can go and load up the Discord app, and then click on User Settings in the bottom left-hand side. Now scroll down on the left-hand navigation and select Voice and Video. Now click on the drop-down arrow next to Microphone and make sure you have the correct external microphone selected. So if it's currently set to Windows Default, you actually need to go and select your microphone from the list. Make sure your microphone volume is turned up, and then you can check to see if that goes and solves the audio issue. If it's still not working, you can come back over to the settings, click on Voice and Video once again, scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and where it says Reset All Voice and Video Settings, go and click on this Reset button, and that should go and resolve the Discord error 3002.